Welcome everyone to the ADV Orlando channel, where riding on two wheels is always an adventure. Today's video is a part of the video documentary that I'm doing of the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia. Multiple locations. Today we'll be digging deeper into Morgan County as we'll be going northwest and finding a new road. And that new road is aptly named Detour Road because it's actually a detour or a back way when connected to other roads to get to Paw Paw. Imagine that, a back way to get to Paw Paw, West Virginia. That's just awesome adventure. Once again, Jeremiah comes through with some fun and adventurous roads to ride. He's really making us familiar with his neck of the Panhandle, and we're having a good time doing it. Prior to my recent trips to Paw Paw, it just seemed like it was a world away and an all-day drive just to get there. But I realized from Berkeley Springs, it's not that far of a ride, and I guess I'm going to be doing more trips in this direction for the Panhandle. But I really am enjoying the remoteness, really good weather that we've got, and there's no restaurant or any type of destination that is in Paw Paw. But the wildness of that area is what I really enjoy. And the lack of large development, it will always have an appeal to me. So if you enjoyed the documentary side of the videos that I do, keep tuned to this area, because I'm going to be hitting it hard as soon as I am able to do more riding. And always remember to ride what you have whenever you can, wherever the road takes you.